After 52 years, the people of Northern Ohio can finally rejoice. The Cleveland Cavaliers are the 2016 NBA champions. One of the most anticipated games in NBA history did not disappoint. Game 7 of the NBA Finals was filled with incredible plays by stars and role players alike. It was a complete team effort on both sides as Draymond Green led all scorers with 32 points, but it was LeBron James who ran the show, posting the third triple-double in NBA Finals Game 7 history with 27 points, 11 rebounds, 11 assists, as well as 3 blocks. The back-and-forth game was tied in the final minute before Kyrie Irving's three-pointer with 53 seconds left put the Cavs up 92-89. Steph Curry was unable to hit a three-pointer on the other end, and after taking a hard fall to the ground, LeBron hit a free throw for his final point to put the Cavs up by 4 and the game out of reach. Shortly after the game, James was named NBA Finals MVP for the third time in his career, and the city of Cleveland celebrated its first professional sports title since the Browns won the NFL championship game in 1964.